What's going on, guys? It's Cam from Fantasize, and we're doing something kind of cool today. We're completely transforming the look of the 636. You might be wondering why, and it's because I'm an idiot. Well, you know, Kawasaki decides to give us this really little tiny kickstand. It's like hardly the size of my thumb, and expects it to hold up a 400-pound motorcycle. Well, because of that, I put the kickstand down in the rain the other day. I guess not paying attention, and I was in neutral. I went to close the garage, and it rolled over the kickstand and destroyed a bunch of stuff. Now, it got this fairing, it broke my clutch lever, got my mirror. This was from the last one from the exact same thing. And then my bar ends, it even scratched my tank a little bit. It got my rear fairing. Basically, the entire fairings on the left side got hit no matter what, except for this piece, which is kind of crazy. So, what did I do? Well, I got a box, a really big box, and a really cool set of fairings. Now, I'm gonna go black and white here so you guys can't see what the color looks like, but we're gonna look at it. Actually, I'll walk out here. It's still black and white, and you don't know what color it is? But, ooh! Oh, that's gonna be pretty. All right, let's get started. Tailpiece number one. Tailpiece number two. Lower panel. Alright, we got the fairings off. Nothing too crazy so far. The only thing is I have to take out these rivets right here and put new rivets into this one. Now the reds are a little bit different, but I think it'll look good outside. Now we got to do levers on both sides. Attempt to fix this bend, because now that I'm looking at it, it does look like it's sitting a little bit far back. So maybe I could just push it out and fix it. and then we'll put the rest of the fairings on. We'll do an oil change, and then we'll show you what the bike looks like. But for right now, this is the sneak peek you get. Woo! I think it's gonna be sick. Woo! There she is. Look at that beautiful carbon. Now it's not real carbon, it's just plastic that looks like that, but it's super cool. We got the oil change done. I started getting really sidetracked, so I just started sending it, and we got the oil change done with some Motul, and we got one of the levers on. The other one's here, but I think overall she looks really good. I didn't really have any fitment issues, to be honest, other than the front right here where the mirrors go was a little off. So I had to trim that a little, and then I need to put 2 zip ties down here because there's no bolt that holds this portion of the lower piece of the tank cover onto the tank, so we got to do that. And we put the black windscreen on. I don't really know how I feel about this one yet. I'm kind of 50-50 on it because it's not tinted, it's literally just black plastic. So there is no seeing through it. Like there's no seeing through that at all. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to go take this thing for a ride. My body is a machine that turns okay things into really cool things. Ooh, look at that. At night, it's gonna look black. It's gonna be dope. And then in the really bright sun, it's gonna be a nice red pearl undertone on top of that forged carbon with the red wheels. I got a few more things coming. We got the new levers on here. I got chrome bar ends coming, and then a kickstand. And then I got to order clip-ons because that one is confirmed bent. But overall, look damn good. All right, it's a few days later, and I still haven't really done anything else. I've just been enjoying this new color and whatnot. Still got a couple more things I want to do. I still got to order clip-ons and everything else, but I think this is a beautiful color. Everyone seems to like it. We went to a little car show earlier, and everyone was complimenting the red, so I think it looks pretty good. But let me know what you guys want to see next, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.